Lesson 71, division answers ending with 0. Okay, 4th grade. Before we start this lesson, I want you to tell yourself, I want you to repeat after me. I am awesome. I know division. I know long division. I know long division with remainders. Good. Okay. So as long as you guys know long division with remainders, or just even long division, you will understand this lesson. It's very important. Like I told you guys during our Zoom meeting, it's very, very important that you guys remember all the steps, no matter what, okay? Always divide, multiply, subtract, check your work, bring down, and start over again. Always, 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 okay? All right, so with when there's zeros in a division problem, you just have to look at it as just another number. It is a digit, right? I mean, it doesn't really count for anything, but it's still a number. So you have to remember that. You have to do all the steps, okay? So my first problem I'm going to do is 200 divided by 4, okay? All right, let's start. So you cover it, right? You do digit by digit. 2. Can 4 go into 2? No. So then you would use 20, right? So how many times does 4 go into 20? 5. Great. Put my 5 here. Okay. Now my next step, before I continue, I'm going to write my steps here because this is very important. Okay. So I just divided. Now I multiply. 4 times 5 is 20. Now I subtract, right? 0, 0, obviously, right? Now I check my work. Can I bring something down? There's another number here, boys and girls. Whenever there's a number here, you have to bring it down. Yes, it's a 0, but you still have to bring it down. So I bring it down, right? And I start over again. Now, I know this looks kind of funny, but boys and girls, you still need to start over again. So this is the one you brought down, right? So I'm just gonna make this one darker. So now you start over again. 0 divided by 4. 4 times what gets you closest to 0 without going over? It's 0, right? So then you put a 0 here. You're not done yet. You still need to complete the steps. You multiply 4 times 0, 0, subtract 0. There is no check your work. Can you bring anything else down? No. When it's a 0, you don't need to put it as your remainder, right? So let's check your work. 50 times 4. 4 times 0, 0. 4 times 5 is 20. So 200, 200. You got it correct. Okay. Let me show you what would happen if you did something that a lot of people forget to do. Okay. So let's say we're back to here. Okay. So it's 20 divided by 4 is 5. Multiply 20, subtract 0, 0, and bring down the 0. Okay, 0. Well, 4 can't go into 0, so I'm just going to forget about it because I just can't go into it, right? So I'm done. Cool, done with my problem. Now look what happens when I check my work. When I check, and this is where I tell you, always, always check 4th grade. Look, I multiply my divisor times my dividend. 4 times 5 is 20. This is 200. Clearly something did not go correct, right? That's what happened because you did not continue doing your work. So let's do another one. Keep watching, okay? And then you're going to do some practice of your own. All right, let's do 121 divided by 3, okay? All right, digit by digit. 1 divided by 3 cannot happen. Therefore, I use 12. That can happen. 12 divided by 3 is 4. Okay, multiply 3 times 4, 12. Subtract 0, 0. I'm gonna put it here. Okay, now I check my work. Can I bring something down? Yes, I can bring down my 1. And I start over again. Now my new problem is saying 1 divided by 3. 3 times what number gets me closest to 1 without going over? It's actually 0, right? 3 can't go into 1 at all, so you put a 0. Next, you multiply. 3 times 0 is 0. Next, you subtract. That is 1. Now, check your work. Can you bring something else down? No. Is this number smaller than your divisor? Yes. So that means it is your remainder. Now, most importantly, double check, right? So 40 times 3. 3 times 0, 0. 3 times 4 is 12. My remainder, I add it on. 1, 2, 1, 121, 121. Did it correct. Okay. I'm going to do one more, and then you're going to pause to do the lesson practice and then see how you did. Okay. All right. So let's go back to like a basic one. 41 divided by 2. Digit by digit. How many times can 2 go into 4? Twice. 2. Okay, now you multiply. 2 times 2 is 4. Subtract. 0. Can you bring something down? Yes. 1. Start over again. 1 divided by 2. Can 2 go into 1? 0 times. So you put the 0 here. Multiply. 2 times 0 is 0. Then you subtract 1. Check your work. Can you bring anything else down? Nope. Is this smaller than your divisor? Yes. Then it's your remainder. Now let's check. 20 times 2, 0, 4, plus 1 for my remainder, 41. Okay? All right. So now that you have watched this, keep telling yourself, I'm going to understand this. I promise. Come on. You got this, all of you. Okay? So I want you to pause when I tell you to and do lesson practice A, B, C, D, E, and F, and then play to see your answer, okay? Pause. You got this, right? You got this. I know you did. All right, so I'm going to do this quickly so that we can kind of move on, okay? All right, so 120 divided by 3. Digit by digit cannot go into 1. It goes into 12. How many times? 4. 3 times 4, 12. Subtract. 0, 0. Bring down the 0. Start over again. 0 divided by 3 is 0 times. 3 times 0, 0. Subtract. 0. Check my work. 40 times 3, 0, 12. 120, 120. Boom. Ready for the next one? Okay. 240 divided by 4. Digit by digit. Cannot go into 2, but it can go into 24. How many times? 6. 4 times 6 is 24. Subtract 0. I'm not even going to put the 0 there. Okay. Can I bring something down? I can. That's a 0. Start over again. 0 divided by 4. 4 can go into it, but I still need to write it out. I still need to put the 0 there. 4 times 0, 0. Subtract 0. 60 times 4, 0, 24. 240. All right. 152 divided by 5. Digit by digit. 1. Nope. 15. Yes. How many times? 3. 3 right here. 5 times 3 is 15. Subtract 0, 0. Check my work. Can I bring something down? Yes, you can. 2. Start over again. 2 divided by 5. Can 5 go into 2? No, but you still need to put that it can go into it 0 times. 5 times 0, 0. Subtract 2. Can I check my work? Can I bring something down? No, that is my divisor. 30 times 5. 0, 15 plus 2, 152. Okay, how are you guys doing? All right, I know you guys are gonna understand this and succeed with division, okay? 121 divided by 4. 1 divided by 4? Nope. 12 divided by 4? Yes. How many times? 3. 4 times 3? 12. Subtract 0, 0. Check. Can I bring something down? 1. Start over again. 1 divided by 4 is 0 times. It can't go into it. Multiply. 4 times 0 is 0. Subtract 1. Check my work. Can I bring something down? No. Is this number smaller than my divisor? Yes, that is my remainder. 30 times 4, 0, 12 plus 1, 121. How are you guys doing so far? Great. I hope everyone said, oh, great, Mrs. Romero. Awesome. All right. 91 divided by 3. 9 divided by 3. How many times? 3. 3 times 3, 9. Subtract 0. Check my work. Can I bring something down? Yes. 1. Start over again. 1 divided by 3 is 0. 3 times 0, 0. Subtract 1. 30 remainder 1. 30 times 3, 0, 9 plus 1, 91. Last one. Actually, we did that one, but I'll do it again. 41 divided by 2. 2 goes into 4 twice. 2 times 2 is 4. Subtract 0. Bring down the 1. 1 divided by 2 is 0. 2 times 0, 0. Subtract 1. 20 remainder 1. Double check. 20 times 2. 0. 4 plus 1. 41. 41. Okay? All right, you guys. You got this. So now you are doing mixed practice 71, 1 through 30. You got this. Look at me. You got it, okay?